He's 4 years old. He's 4 years old. He's 4 years old. He's 4 years old. Blow out your candles. He don't need no help. Woo, yeah, everybody clap.
Yeah.
Woo, woo. All right.
Can I have your card?
There's Noonie and Sammy and Auntie April and Anna.
That's stupid what they did.
Look. Let's see, Mango and Quest.
And what about yourself?
The birthday boy.
What picture that was? What show that was?
Rumper Room. And Daddy over here eating with his birthday hat on.
What about yourself?
And on his cake we have cars. There's a Mercedes, and there's a Jeep, and there is a Hummer, and there is a big truck. It says, "Happy 4th birthday, Quintonius." Woo! Okay.
Happy birthday, little mustache.
Look at me, Noonie.
Oompa Loompa.
Woo! That's my birthday boy. There go Mango. He is matching like Freddy Krueger. His Freddy Krueger shirt on. His orange, blue, and white shirt with his orange, blue, and white hat with his orange, blue, and sweatpants. He's matching from his head to his toe. Noonie got on his fresh blue t-shirt with his gold chain and his gold bracelet. Chilling, boy. This balloons. All his balloons.
Oh yeah, the balloons easy, boy. They easy.
All his balloons. Yeah. That's my baby. March 28th, 2006. Yeah, boy.